Today we're going to talk about LeanBiome. We at Reviews have prepared a complete video review with everything you need to know before buying LeanBiome. I also have some really important warnings, which I'll talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying LeanBiome. The first thing you need to know about LeanBiome is, be careful which website you buy LeanBiome from, because LeanBiome is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is LeanBiome and does it really work? And the answer is yes, LeanBiome works, and after many laboratory tests, Lean for Good LeanBiome introduces lean bacteria into your digestive system that help improve the diversity of the gut microbiome. As the growth of good bacteria in the gut increases, the intestinal flora improves and provides multiple benefits to the body. Several studies have linked having a diverse gut microbiome with fat loss, reduced cravings, increased metabolism, and improved energy levels. When you have a naturally lean gut microbiome with the help of beneficial bacteria, you achieve healthy weight loss. If you consume a LeanBiome diet pill every day, your digestive tract will remain free of harmful bacteria that can result in weight gain. It can support healthy digestion and burn stored fat within the body. You start to feel a significant difference in body weight as soon as the fat-burning process takes place. This nutritional supplement can help you lose weight with ingredients such as green tea extract and inulin, along with bacterial species. All you need to do is maintain proper intestinal health to lose weight quickly. Probiotics are live microorganisms that can be found in the human body and help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. Some probiotic supplements, such as LeanBiome, contain and combine different strains to create a cocktail of beneficial microbes. The ingredients are: probiotic strains. LeanBiome contains various strains of healthy bacteria, such as Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Lactobacillus fermentum, Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus plantarum, Bifidobacterium bifidum, Bifidobacterium lactis, Bifidobacterium longum, and Bifidobacterium breve. Each bacterial strain performs different functions that ultimately help with weight control. They help break down food, support immunity, increase metabolism, and facilitate weight loss. Probiotic administration has been found to reduce visceral fat and overall BMI in several clinical trials. It increases energy expenditure and burns accumulated fat stored in the body. Optimal metabolic functions combat the lethargy and weakness associated with poor gut health. Inulin is a dietary fiber that acts as a prebiotic in food that feeds bacterial strains. It nourishes intestinal bacteria and improves intestinal health, digestion, and nutrient absorption. Inulin is the only prebiotic component in the LeanBiome formula. Several clinical studies involving humans and animals have found that inulin supports energy metabolism and weight loss. Because it is rich in fiber, it promotes a feeling of satiety, eliminates cravings, and regulates appetite. Green tea Phytosome has been found to offer fat-burning benefits. Numerous clinical studies have revealed that taking green tea Phytosome helps human participants lose weight. It also works as a liver-protecting antioxidant. Improved liver function also supports weight loss. Green tea Phytosomes can be absorbed much better than green tea extracts. It is the decaffeinated version of green tea that increases its health benefits. Sphaeranthus indicus studies show that herbal formulations composed of Sphaeranthus indicus extracts have helped with significant weight loss in people. The ingredient also works as a remedy against various health problems, such as diabetes, inflammation, psoriasis, etc. It is known to target different mechanisms of fat metabolism to increase weight loss. Mangosteen. Mangosteen is a tropical fruit rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Including it in our daily diet is known to support the immune system and help with weight loss. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with LeanBiome. Even on the official website, there are numerous testimonials from customers who have used LeanBiome, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test LeanBiome for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So be safe to use LeanBiome, but make sure you're buying from the official website to guarantee the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for LeanBiome to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take 2 capsules a day with a sip of water, preferably in the morning before breakfast. Each bottle comes with enough capsules for a 30-day supply, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll actually get a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 4 months of using this product. Also important for you to know, LeanBiome has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you go to buy LeanBiome, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that LeanBiome really does help to improve your life and the many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.